Hello, this is Ronaldo Deese here at Donley Ford Galion. I have some groundbreaking news for you. This just in, 2023 Ford Explorers has interest rates as low as 1.9% up to 72 months. Yes, I said it, 1.9% up to 72 months. Along with that, it also has $1,500 trade assist in. You can bundle those two together and get a low payment. So when you come and ask for your boy Ronaldo. Oh yeah, before I forgot, also breaking news. We have that's going to land tomorrow, either today or tomorrow. We have a 2024 Ford F-150 Raptor that's already hit the ground, and yes, it is available. And guess what else? You can buy this one at sticker. It's very rare that you can find a Raptor at sticker from now until the end of the month. So hurry down and get this before it gets taken away quickly. Come see your man here at Donley Ford Galion, Ronaldo Deese. Come check me out.